Widely recognized as one of the most effective fighters in modern history, the F-15 Eagle has a remarkable record in the air battlefield. More than 100 victories without a single loss. Since its maiden flight in 1972, it has been the backbone of the United States Air Force's Air Superiority Force. Designed in response to tactical challenges during the Vietnam War, the F-15 was developed with a priority on speed, maneuverability, and situational awareness. High-powered twin engines and advanced radar systems are the foundation of its superiority in aerial combat, in both beyond visual range (BVR) and within visual range (WVR) scenarios. One of the key elements that makes the F-15 excel is the use of the ANAPG series of radars, which are constantly undergoing updates to improve range, resolution, and electronic countermeasures capabilities. These radars allow F-15 pilots to track and engage a variety of targets from long distances with high precision, even in complex combat environments. The aircraft is equipped with a full arsenal of weapons for various combat scenarios. For long-range combat, the F-15 relies on AM-7 Sparrow and AM-120 AMRAAM missiles, while at close range, the AM-9 Sidewinder and M61 Vulcan 20mm internal cannon are the main weapons. With its high acceleration capability, narrow turning radius, and superior speed and lift, the F-15 is a deadly threat in the air. These technical advantages are reinforced by the quality of pilot training. Intensive training programs such as Red Flag provide realistic and high-risk combat simulations, preparing F-15 pilots for real conflict scenarios. The F-15's success is reflected in its operational record. During Operation Desert Storm, the F-15 accounted for 36 of the total 39 U.S. air-to-air victories, defeating fighters such as the MiG-29, MiG-25, and Mirage F-1. The F-15 fleet also played a strategic role in military operations in the Middle East throughout the 2000s and 2010s. Outside the United States, the F-15 is also operated by a number of allied countries. The Israeli Air Force has used them effectively since the late 1970s, with a significant record of success, including a clean air victory during the 1982 Lebanon War. Saudi Arabia and Japan are also among the user nations, with Saudi Arabia claiming success in destroying MiG-15s during the Gulf War. With its combination of advanced avionics, superior performance, comprehensive armament, and well-trained pilots, the F-15 remains an icon of relevant air power to this day. 5 decades after its birth, the aircraft is still on active duty, proving its adaptability and technological superiority that is constantly updated to meet future threats. To maintain its relevance in an era of evolving military technology, the F-15 continues to undergo modernization through various variants, including the F-15C, F-15E Strike Eagle, and most recently, the F-15X Eagle II. The F-15X variant is equipped with the latest generation avionics system, AESO, Active Electronically Scanned Array, radar, as well as the ability to carry more precision weapons. The F-15EX is designed to complement fifth-generation fighter forces such as the F-35 and F-22 at a lower operational cost. Its lift advantage allows it to play a role in a wide range of missions, from air superiority to ground attack and strategic air defense. The development of the F-15X also demonstrates a realistic approach to the United States military modernization strategy. Amidst rising global tensions and challenges from competitor nations such as China and Russia, having an immediately deployable, tested, and reliable fighter is a critical plus. More than just a combat platform, the F-15 has become a symbol of the United States military's technological superiority in the air. Its proven operational success and ability to continuously evolve make it an important backbone in the air defense doctrine of the U.S. and its allies. In an increasingly volatile global context, the F-15 remains relevant as a strategic deterrent. With the ability to reach conflict areas quickly and deliver lethal effects, it ensures that the United States and its allies retain the upper hand in the skies. In a global comparison, the F-15 still shows significant advantages over many other fighters in the 4th generation and even 4.5 generation class. With a combination of beyond visual range, BVR capabilities, operational endurance, and modern avionics systems, the F-15 is a formidable opponent to fighters such as the Russian Su-35, Eurofighter Typhoon, and even some early variants of 5th-generation aircraft. Furthermore, the F-15's operational flexibility, which can be integrated with various ground and air combat systems and other NATO platforms, provides strategic added value in joint and multinational operation scenarios. With more than 5 decades of service, the F-15 Eagle is not only a symbol of past glory, but also a representation of an ever-adapting air power future. Through continuous modernization and consistent pilot training, the F-15 remains at the forefront of global air power. Amidst the emergence of new technologies, combat drones and 5th-generation stealth aircraft, the F-15 proves that a platform designed with a strong foundation can remain relevant and even dominate over the years. For many, the F-15 is not just a fighter. It is a legend that continues to write history in the skies.